Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer all-wheel drive LT package. It's got about 15,000 miles on the clock. Really beautiful condition. All right, let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. This one has rear backup camera, parking sensors in the rear. Is really nice. LT package. All right, front bumper's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Looks amazing. Very nice shape. Look at the headlamp here on the passenger side. Beautiful condition throughout. Lower lights in beautiful shape. That bottom spoiler down there is in really great condition. Does have a tiny little scratch on it right there. Besides that, looks good. Grill's in good shape. Super clean throughout. Nice chrome on there. Looks beautiful. All right, take a look at the headlamp here on the driver's side. Beautiful condition there. Lower lights also in beautiful shape. Let's take a quick look at the hood. Hood's in good condition. Does have a dent right here and another one right here. And also I noticed some scratches that are right here. A couple long scratches on the top here. Not sure if you can see them, but there are a couple scratches there. It's really hard to show, but it's got a scratch here, another one over there, and right there. Besides that, it looks really good. You don't really see them unless you take a close look. But they are there, so we have to announce them. All right, let's take a look at the front fender. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Does have a small little dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the rear door on the passenger side. Looks really nice, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Quarter panel here on the passenger side, beautiful shape throughout. Rear bumper looks good. Very nice. Hatch looks great. Look at that, beautiful condition. Let's take a look at those lights back here. Look amazing. Beautiful shape all the way through. Really nice. Take a look at that rear glass. Not a mark on it. Looks beautiful. Super clean. All right, now we're walking here on the side. Quarter panel here on the driver's side. Beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Taking a look at the rear door. Rear door on the driver's side. Looks amazing. Super nice. Nothing to show there. Take a look at the front door on the driver's side. Looks amazing. Clean throughout. Very nice. No marks or anything on it. Front fender on the driver's side looks really nice. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the windshield on this side. Really nice. Beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the roof on top here. I did notice it has a small little dent right there. Besides that, the roof looks good. I don't see anything on it right now. Really nice condition. Really great shape. Look at that. All right, now we're looking at the glass here in the front on the passenger side. Looks amazing. Super clean. Really great shape all the way through. All right, that concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. We're taking a look at the front door panel on the driver's side. Beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Really nice shape. Armrest is in great condition. Look at all the controls. Beautiful shape. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in amazing shape. Looks super clean. Full set of floor mats, rubber mats. Very nice. Dashboard steering is in great shape. Looks really nice all the way through. All right, we're taking a look at the rear door panel here on the passenger side. Door panel's in good shape. Does have a couple scratches here and also over here. Besides, that's in really great condition. Take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's in great shape. Take a look. Very nice condition. Full set of floor mats, rubber. Looks really nice. Here in the center, we have our USBs and a power plug for the rear passengers. Very nice. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Very nice shape. Armrest is in great shape. All right, let's take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats are in really nice condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Full set of floor mats. Beautiful condition. Really nice. Take a look at the liner. Liner's in great shape. Let's take a look. Really nice condition. We're taking a look at the front. Passenger side door panel. Door panel looks amazing. Really nice shape. Armrest in great condition. Looks super clean. All right, let's take a look at the front. Passenger seat, really great shape. Looks clean throughout. Very nice condition. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering looks amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT package all-wheel drive. Take a look here. Key fob is lock unlock, remote start, power hatch, and panic. Beautiful GM key. We're going to set it down right here. This one has a push button start right here. So we're going to press the brake, push the button to start it. Starts up super nice. Take a look at that cluster. Really nice. All right, let's go ahead and take a close look here. So this one has 15,664 miles. And as you can see here, it shows you the miles per hour. Very nice. On the top left there, you can see the compass. The bottom left, you can see the fuel gauge. On the bottom right, you can see the temperature gauge. And on the top right, you can see the distance from the vehicle in front of you. And then those two little lines there, that's for the lane assist. It pretty much lets you know when you're getting out of the lane or whatever, it flashes, lets you know. So this is really cool because this has a couple different gauge, couple different clusters. So you can actually select a different one. So I'm going to press this button here and we can select a different cluster. Right now it's on cluster 3. We're going to put it on 2. That's super nice. We're going to press again. We'll put it on cluster number 1. This one's really nice. When you accelerate, you can see the RPMs. Isn't that cool? Super nice. Okay, so let's look at some of the other features. This one has an all-wheel drive. You can see the letters down there. So I'm going to take the all-wheel drive off. So now we have two-wheel drive. It also has a sport mode. So when you click on that, the little flag comes up. That's really nice. Okay, let's check out the turning signals. Working perfect on both sides. Check out the highlights. There you go. Okay, this is the controls for the front and rear wipers. This is the button we press there to change the cluster settings. It also has for the radio and for the phone. And then here on your left hand side, we have the cruise control. We have the button for the collision alert in the front, and heated steering wheel for you guys up north. That's super nice. Let's go ahead and show you how you can change the gap on the collision alert. Right now it's all the way in the front. 2, it's got 3 settings there. So the gap is pretty much the distance in the front. They'll give you alerts. So further away is better. All right, so we're looking at the automatic light controllers, power windows, power locks. Very nice. This one has a rear power hatch. You can control it from right there. That's super nice. Steering wheel is in beautiful condition. Take a look. Very nice condition all the way through. Dashboard looks amazing. Brand new condition. Looks really nice. Beautiful shape all the way through. Beautiful display here in the center. Down below here, it's got a climate control with 1 temperature setting for the vehicle. That's super nice. And you've got heated seats here for the passengers in the front. That's really nice. Look at that. 3 settings. That's amazing. Down below here, we're looking at the USB plugs. A power plug right there. Below that, you have a wireless charger there for your phone. This is the sport button. This is the all-wheel drive button. Traction control button. This is for the lane alert there. That's nice. This is to bypass the engine off. Automatic transmission. Power brake release. Super nice. Armrest is in great shape. It's got a little tray there. Beneath that tray, you have more storage. Super nice. Dashboard looks good. Beautiful condition all the way through. Really amazing shape. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on the information center and the radio. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here. Right now, we're looking at the radio settings. So we're going to click here, and then it has AM, FM, XM radio, and then you could add your device. So we'll click on that again. I'll go back to the other one. Let's go to the home page. Right here, you have your climate control settings. Super nice. Go back here again. The settings for the vehicle. There you go. So you got your lane change alert. This is all the collision detection. So we have rear cross traffic, we have rear camera, parking assist symbol, and we have parking assist. And then we have the lane change alert, and front pedestrian braking and automatic braking in the front. So that gap setting we looked at before, that's where you do that. It controls that. So we go back again here, and then you have your rear reminder if you have a small child or something. Climate control, the collision detection information there, super nice. And then apps, you go there, you have your audio, your phone, and your OnStar. Then you have your system there. It's all the good stuff there. This one has Wi-Fi also, super nice. Your vehicle settings, super nice. Look at that. Okay, we'll go back here again, and then we're going to go here to the vehicle itself. This is the maintenance stuff here. Shows you the gauges, the trip computer, super nice. Coolant temperature, battery voltage. This other button here, that's for the phones, and this is for the radio where we're at right now. All right, fantastic. That's pretty much it. Let's take a quick look at the liner. It's got a little crease right there on the roof. Liner looks good overall. Really nice shape. Up here on top, you have your OnStar buttons, your passenger airbag on and off. You got your courtesy lights here. Let's take a look at those visors. Super nice with lights and everything. Really nice. Take a look at the liner on this side. Good shape all the way through. It looks amazing. All right, so we're all set. Take it for a little test drive. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back. All right, we're all set. Take it for a test drive. Here we go. A lot of power. Feels super quick. We got it in the sport mode right now. Feels really nice. The cluster's really nice. Really cool. Shows you the RPMs and stuff. Super nice. Brakes are good. Stopped really nice. That's why it's shifting a little bit quicker, because it's on the sport mode. So it drives really nice. See, the little car shows up there in between those two lines. It shows we're staying in the lane. See that? And then if we had a vehicle next to us, it'll let us know when you look at the mirrors. Super nice. Turns on a dime, feels super smooth. Okay, here we go. Really nice drive. Super smooth. All right, we're coming up on another stop sign here. We'll test the brakes again. Here we go. Super nice. Okay. Now our next step is we're going to go ahead and check out the backup camera with the sensors in the back. And that'll be pretty much our test drive. Really nice drive. All right, we're going to pick a little spot here where there's some bushes, so that way when we back up you can see the sensors come on. Here we go. Put in reverse. There you go. Beautiful camera. It's got those lines when you turn the steering wheel. It shows you which way you're rolling back. That is super nice. Here we go. So let's select those right there. There you go. It's catching those bushes back there, letting us know we're getting close to that. So as we get closer, it should beep a little more, but since we're talking about bushes, there's none on the bottom there. There you go. So this comes up on the cluster showing you what you're going to hit back there. So that's really nice. It shows you on the screen, and it also shows you here on the display in the cluster. That's so nice. Okay, pretty much that concludes our test drive on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, under the hood, and the cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the cargo area in the back. Let's go ahead and press the button here twice. There you go. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and take a look inside here. We have our rug, looks amazing. Very nice condition. Got a couple pockets here on the side for storage. Very nice. Then beneath that, we have our jack, the front license plate holder if you need it. And here we go. This is the spare tire, and beneath that, it has a subwoofer on it. It's very nice. All right, beautiful condition. Really in great shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and take a quick look here. It looks all original, beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Super nice, look at that. Looks amazing. Let's take a look at the bottom of the hood. Hood's in great shape here. Very nice condition. Let's take a quick look here. That looks amazing. Very nice. Emission sticker and everything on there. Looks beautiful. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in great shape, good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in good condition. Looks very nice, really great shape. All right, taking a look at the rear tire here. Rear tire on the driver's side looks amazing. Really good tread on there, looks brand new. Rim is clean and in great shape. Let's take a close look here. Very nice condition. Really great shape all the way through. All right, let's take a look at the rear tire here on the passenger side. Tire's in brand new condition, looks really nice. Rim is clean and in great shape. Does have a little imperfection right there. A couple little scratches here. Besides that, it's in good condition. Looks very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side tire. Tire's in really great shape. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in good condition. Let's take a closer look here. Really nice shape all the way through. Looks amazing. Very nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer all-wheel drive LT model. Vehicle's in beautiful conditions, got about 15,000 miles on the clock, really amazing shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.